Santa Cruz del Eslot, an artificial island located off the coast of Bolivar Department in Colombia. Close to Tolu and Covenas, it's a part of the archipelago of San Bernardo. Its significant population, compared with its small size, results in it being one of the most densely populated islands on Earth. The tiny island of Santa Cruz del Eslot, a 2-hour boat ride off the coast of Colombia, is rather different. It's located in the Caribbean Sea, but that's where the dream of island life stops. So before starting the video, let me remind you that subscribing that red button below is completely free, and don't forget to press the bell icon because we upload videos daily. The island of Santa Cruz is the most densely populated island on earth, with more than 1200 people crammed together on a landmass of the size of 2 soccer fields. That means that it's 4 times more densely populated than Manhattan. The island was uninhabited until 150 years ago, when the fishermen who used it for shelter during storms started building houses there and having families. Now their descendants live there with over 18 families occupying 97 houses. But what's the life like on this island? The life in this island is not as bad as you may think. Though there are no roads, but there is a school that teaches students up to 10th grade, along with 2 shops and a restaurant. But there are no cell phones or internet connection in the island. Water is mainly gathered from rainfall with no other source. But there's plenty of seafood for the inhabitants to eat. But just one generator that runs for between 1 and 4 hours a day. Solar panels with the only other power coming from the Japanese government. There are no police and not even needed because there are no crimes. The small community works together to solve its own problems, and also because there is no place for any criminal to run, as it is surrounded by water from all sides. But poverty is ever present. The only chance for employment being fishing or working in the hotels in the nearby islands. But the basis of life here aren't expensive, and the inhabitants love Santa Cruz community spirit. It's so tiny that everyone knows each other. They pass the time with dominoes, dancing, swimming and playing soccer, with more of daily life taking place in the alleys between the tightly packed houses. The people of Santa Cruz only leave the island when they die. As there is no place for a crematory, they are buried on nearby islands. Life in this tiny island is not easy, but for the people living there, it's their daily routine.